Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Septimeliani Putri. I will explain regarding oil and gas price volatility. Fluctuation in world oil price and domestic demand challenge could threaten Indonesia's income stability. First, change in world oil price. Change in world oil price can affect the Indonesian economy. When world oil price rise, state income will increase, and subsidies will also increase. Conversely, when world oil price fall, state income will fall, and subsidies will also decrease. And then the role of oil and natural gas in the Indonesian economy. Oil and natural gas are still a mainstay in the development of the Indonesian economy. Even though its role is decreasing, oil and gas commodities still make a significant contribution to the Indonesian economy. Next, crude oil. Based on the graph of crude oil price from 2020 to 2024, it is clear how global price volatility is a big challenge for economic stability, especially for Indonesia as one of the main oil and gas producers in Southeast Asia. The sharp decline in price in 2020 was caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, which suppressed global energy demand. This was followed by a significant recovery starting in 2021 and a surge in price in 2022, driven by geopolitical disruption such as the Russian-Ukraine war. Although oil price saw signs of stabilization in 2023 to 2024, the level of volatility remains high. For Indonesia, this fluctuation creates major risk to the stability of state revenues that depend on oil and gas export. Falling oil price in 2020 contributed to a decline in fiscal revenues, while a price spike in 2022 provided temporary benefits, but also increased domestic energy costs, fueled inflation, and weighed on people's purchasing power. To overcome the impact of this volatility, the government has made various efforts, including energy subsidy reform. This policy aims to reduce the burden on the state budget while still providing protection for vulnerable groups in society. However, these reforms often face social and political challenges, especially when oil prices rise sharply as seen in 2022. Apart from that, inflation due to rising global energy price is a big challenge for the government. Policies such as maintaining stable price of basic commodities and temporary subsidies on fuel have been implemented to reduce the direct impact on society. However, these measures only provide a short-term solution, while the need for energy diversification becomes increasingly urgent. In the long term, the government encourages increased energy efficiency and diversification of energy sources to reduce dependence on oil and gas. Investment in renewable energy such as solar, wind, and geothermal power are part of this strategy. Thus, although global oil price volatility remains a challenge, consistent policy steps can help Indonesia maintain economic stability and energy sustainability. Next, natural gas. Based on the graph of natural gas price from 2020 to 2024, it can be seen that gas price experienced high volatility, with a significant upward trend during 2021 to 2022 before experiencing a sharp decline in 2023. The peak in gas price in 2022 was mainly triggered by geopolitical tensions such as the Russia-Ukraine war, which disrupts global gas supplies. Although gas prices saw stabilization in 2024, their levels are still likely to fluctuate. reflecting uncertainty in the global energy market. For Indonesia, gas price volatility has a significant impact on economic stability, considering that gas is an important component in the country's energy portfolio. When gas prices soar, Indonesia can gain fiscal benefits from liquefied natural gas or LNG exports. But at the same time, these price spikes pose challenges for domestic consumers, including the industrial and household sectors, as they increase energy costs and inflation. Another challenge is dependence on gas imports in several domestic areas where gas infrastructure is inadequate. When global prices are high, import costs become increasingly expensive, burdening state budgets and society. This also creates pressure for the government to maintain a balance between export for revenue and domestic supply for economic stability. In dealing with this volatility, the Indonesia government has taken various strategic steps, such as energy subsidy reform to reduce the budget burden. However, this policy often faces political and social challenges, especially when energy prices rise sharply, because it can affect people's purchasing power. Apart from that, the government is also focusing on energy diversification efforts by increasing investment in the renewable energy sectors, such as geothermal and solar power, which aims to reduce dependence on fossil-based energy. Energy efficiency is also a priority to overcome the impact of gas price volatility. Programs that encourage efficient energy use in the industrial and household sectors can help reduce excess demand at a time of high price. In the long term, developing domestic gas infrastructure, including the construction of pipeline networks and LNG terminals, will be key to increasing Indonesia's energy security and reducing the direct impact of global price fluctuation. With these various policies, Indonesia seeks to maintain a balance between the economic benefits of energy export and domestic needs, while building resilience to uncertainty in the global energy market. That's all I can explain. Thank you.